I'm going to take an old knife of mine, this ram's horn handle that I just don't like anymore. You know, I'll show it to you. It's kind of beaten up and old. It's a 1 of 500 series. I don't know if you can read that or not. But what I'm going to have to do is take the bolsters off and the ram's horn. And I am going to turn this stupid looking cheap ass knife into a railroad spike. It was on standby the whole. Okay, I pretty much finished the railroad spike. I still have some polishing to do. Put some grooves in up towards the head just to kind of give it a cool design. I know it's a little bit better than the ram's horn, but I got a nice polish job on the top, but I gotta finish that too. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video, and just goes to show you what you can do with old knives that you don't want.